do question number workbook problem, question number 22 in the workbook, and after that you will do 2 problems in the notebook also. Okay. So first we can discuss the workbook problem. All of you please take your workbook. Open page number 33. Page number 33. Yes. Okay. Yes, very good. Now, I want. Now I'm going to mute you all. And I want Siddharth, please read the question. Question number 22.
Yes, ma'am. School A has 2,000.
School A has
105 students.
Students.
School B and School C has 2,211 and 1,671 students.
Respectively. Then
what is
the total
number of students in the 3 schools?
Very good. So, school A has how many children? How many students? School A has how many students? Wait. School A, how many students are there?
1,205.
1,205. Now,
good morning, ma'am.
Who is saying good morning now?
Good morning, ma'am.
Workbook. We are discussing workbook. Page number 33. Question number 33. Now, school B has how many students?
2,211.
2,211. Okay. Now, school C has how many students? 1,671. All of you underline the 3 numbers. Underline the 3 numbers.
Page number?
Page number 33. We have to find out the total number of students in the 3 schools. We have to find total number of students in the 3 schools. When the word total is there, we have to add. Okay. When the word total is there, sum, then increasing situations, all these situations, we have to add. So we have to add these 3 numbers and we have to find out the total number of students. Everybody can start writing. Sparthasarthi and Sri Parvati, please open your book. Everybody please open your book. Page number 33, question number 22. We are going to write the answer. You all can write along with me. So first step, What will be the steps, dear children? How we will write the steps? Anybody? How will start the steps? Huh?
Right hands once.
Oh, I am asking the steps. The statement, how you will write statements? Number of students.
Students in school A.
Ah, like that. Students in school A equal to.
1205.
You can write along with me.
Ma'am, page number.
Now who is asking page number, dear? Page number 33. Number of students in school A equal to 1205. Number of students in school B 2211. Number of students in school C 1671. Then we have to find total number of students. Total number of students in the three schools. In the three schools. Equal to, you have to add these three numbers. Yes, those who got answered, don't tell now, let others do. After doing this much, either you can do the addition in the workbook itself if you have space, otherwise take your rough book and do the addition.
Ma'am, we have so much space. Those who completed writing, they can do the addition.
Number of students in school A. Number of students in school B. Number of students in school C. Total number of students in the 3 schools. Have you completed the steps, dear children? Now anybody is there to complete?
Yes. Yes.
Okay, we can wait, we can do the addition now. And I want Lysol, have you completed the steps? Okay. Krishna Kalesh, completed. Krishna, steps have you completed? Yes or no? Unmute. Krishna, please unmute. Have you completed the steps? Huh?
Yes.
Okay. Now, we can add these numbers. Krishna, you have to help me to add these 3 numbers. Okay. Here, all the numbers have how many digits? The 3 numbers have how many digits? Each number. How many digits are there for 1205? Krishna.
4 digits.
4 digits. So, for all the numbers, 4 digits are there. So, which all place values I want to write?
10,000.
1,000. 1,000. Then, next, 100, tens, ones.
1.
Okay. Then these are the numbers 1,205. Then 2,211. 1,671. Now we are going to add. Which place digits we have to add first? Krishna?
Ones.
Ones place.
Ones.
Which are the ones place digits?
Ones.
Here, which are the ones place digits? 5, 1, 1. What we will get? 5 plus 1?
5 plus 1.
5 plus 1?
6.
6 plus 1?
7.
7. So in the ones place, 7. Now, tens place. 0 plus 1? 0 plus 1?
0 plus 1.
Three, 1. 1 plus 7?
1 plus 7.
1 plus 7? When we add 1 with a number, you will get the next number, after number. So 1 plus 7?
1, 2, 3.
Krishna? Ah,
9.
is it 9? After 7, what is the number?
1, 2,
After 7, what is the number when we are counting? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7? 8. So 7 plus 1 is 8. Okay. Now 2 plus 2. 2 plus 2, what you will get? 2 in mind, 2 in fingers. After 2? Huh?
4.
4. 4 plus 6? 4 plus 6, 3 numbers are there, no? So 4 plus 6? 6 in mind, 4 in fingers. Otherwise 4 in mind, 6 in fingers as your convenience. If you are taking 6 in mind, 4 in fingers, take 4 fingers. After 6, 7, 8, 9, Isan, 10. Okay, Isan. So 10. In that 10, what you have to write under hundreds place? Here, what I want to write?
0.
0. And 1 we should carry forward to which place? This 1 we should carry forward to which place? Which? 1000 place. Now we have to add these 4 numbers. 1 plus 1? 2. 1 plus 1, 2. 2 plus 2?
4.
4 plus 1? 5. So this is the answer. 5087. So now anybody is there to complete any step, I'll be sending through WhatsApp. You can complete that time. Now everybody should
Complete that.
Okay, very good. Very good, Abdul. Now take out your maths notebook. We are going to do 2 problems, additional problems. I will only write the question. You have to do the, you have to find out the add and find out the answer. No page number. For notebook, no page number. You can take in new page and write. Okay. Darus. Okay. So take a new page.
And notebook page.
Sorry?
Notebook new page.
Yes, in the notebook, new page, and start doing. You have to do yourself. So these are the questions. Give the heading. Chapter 4. Chapter 4, addition. And you can give the heading 4.2 and add. In that first question, 7,901 and you have to add these 2 numbers, 1,908 and B 1,463 and 1583. Do yourself. Start doing fast. I'll give 4 minutes. Within that, you have to complete. Rekha, do fast. One more minute left. Gauri, have you completed? Adinal has completed, I think. Advaith, have you completed? Have you completed? Advaith? Yes. Okay. Okay. Arav also completed, I think. Do. Oh, yes, do. Abel, do. Hanna. Hanna Roshan. Advait, please unmute.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, before that, have you all done first question?
Yes.
Those who have completed first question, please show me a thumbs up.
Yes.
Yes.
My completed.
Yes, almost everybody has completed, I think. Okay. Advait, what answer you got for the first question? Don't correct your answer now. Whatever may be the answer, you please keep it there. Advait, what your answer you got for the first question?
9,809.
9. Anybody got any other answer 9,000 other than 9,809? Any other answer anybody got? Shravan got different answer. Please unmute and say. Same answer you got or different answer?
Different answer.
What do you got?
9,109.
We can see whose answer is correct. Okay. Now we are going to add the first question. If anybody is there to complete the second question, you can complete fast. You have 4 digits are there, so we can start from THHTO 7,009. Right, little more bigger when you are adding new space also. 7,901 and 1,908. Shravan, please unmute.
Yes, ma'am.
From where you have to start addition? Ones place or thousands place?
Ones place.
Ones place. Which are the digits?
1.
1 and 8. 1 plus 8, what do you got?
9.
9. 0 plus 0?
0.
9 plus 9?
40.
Not 40. It's 18. 9 plus 9 is 18. Add. And in this 18, what I should write over here in the 100 place? Hey, Advait, please keep quiet. 1 or 8? Which one I have to write?
1.
It's wrong. You have to write 8. Okay, that means 1800s you got. 1800s. That means 1,000 plus 800s. Okay. So Shravan, you have to write 8. 8 here. And 1 we should carry forward to here. Now 1 plus 7, 8. 8 plus 1, 9. Okay, Shravan, have you understood? Have you understood your mistake? Now for the second question, what answer you got? Anna Rose, what answer you got for the second question? Unmute and say fast. Fast?
Is not finished.
This much time you got still not finished. So, dear, what I will do is, we will send the answer through WhatsApp. Please check your answer. Okay? Okay. Thank you, my dear children. See you next day. And everybody should do the second question and find out the answer. Okay. So thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.